Hi, this presentation is over area and circumference of circles. What are the parts of a circle? We have the center of the circle, which is usually labeled by a letter. We have the radius, which goes from the center to the outside edge of the circle. The diameter goes from one edge of the circle through the center to the other side of the circle, and the circumference is the distance around a circle. What is area? The area is how much space there is inside a figure. We can have area for all sorts of different shapes, but today we're just talking about circles. To find the area of a circle, use the formula A equals pi r squared. That means area equals pi, we usually use 3.14 for pi, times the radius to the second power. Let's look at an example. Find the area of circle C. Use 3.14 for pi. So we start by writing our formula. A equals pi times r squared. Next, we substitute in our value for our radius. Looking at the diagram, I can see that the radius is 12 centimeters. So I put a 12 here where r used to be. Here's a helpful tip. If you know the diameter, cut it in half to find the radius. Next, we're going to simplify what we have so far. So 12 to the second power is the same thing as 144. 12 times 12. So A equals pi times 144. Next, we're going to plug in 3.14 instead of our pi symbol and multiply that by 144. So our answer is 452 and 16/100 centimeters squared. Make sure with area your unit has the little 2 to represent that it is squared. What is circumference? Circumference is kind of like the perimeter, but for a circle. It's the distance around a circle. To find the circumference of a circle, use the formula C equals pi d, or circumference equals pi times diameter. Let's look at an example. Find the circumference of circle B. Use 3.14 for pi. So C equals pi times d. So we substitute in our value for d, or our diameter, which according to the diagram says it's 5 millimeters. Here's a helpful tip. If you know the radius, double it to find the diameter. Next, we're going to write 3.14 instead of the pi symbol and multiply it by 5. Then we simplify, so the circumference is 15 7/10 millimeters. Thanks for watching.